Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Crescent by Candor Developers and Builders, which is located at Lingampalli, Hyderabad. And today we'll be doing the project overview of the project, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel, and these are the towers. So once you have a look at the towers, you can just notice that the project is almost completed and they are giving possession by the end of this year itself. So if you are the one who is looking for nearly possession, then this project suits you perfectly. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which can result you in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project land parcel is being constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel consisting of total 5 towers. Each tower of 4 basement ground plus 50 floors, having 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies in this project. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located beside St. Maria International School in Lingampalli, Hyderabad. And let me show you the connectivity and neighborhood of the project. So this site you can connect towards Gachibowli, and this road will take you towards Chandanagar. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Lingampalli railway station in 2 minutes, Gachibowli in just 10 minutes, DLF is also 10 minutes away, and even you can connect to ORR in 10 minutes from the project. Even Sharad City Mall is within 10 minutes from the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like 62,000 square feet of clubhouse, amphitheater, turf, table tennis, kids play area, swimming pool, half basketball court, and many more amenities. Now about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies, with 2.5 BHK starting from 1456 to 1605 square feet, 3 BHK 1601 to 2656 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain you the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model as well as the actual flat. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Crescent by Candor Developers and Builders, a project located in Lingampalli, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.